Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that, viewers, as you all know, and I have also informed you in many videos, that heavy fighting is going on the sides of Dessie city, and Tigray Defense Force soldiers have reached so close to Dessie that anything can be received breaking news in the coming few hours. And according to recent reports, Tigray Defense Force sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are close to taking control of Hardibo Lake, while according to some sources, reports coming that Tigray Defense Force has taken control of Hardibo Lake after heavy defeat of Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies. But these reports are confirmed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are very close to taking control of Hardibo Lake. While we are trying to get more information about other reports that you will be informed of soon. Viewers, Hardibo Lake is located near Bitsma, Hike Lake, and Hike Town. And Bitsma, Hike Lake, and Hike are already under the control of Tigray Defense Force. And it is acceptable that Tigray Defense Force will easily gain control over the Hardibo Lake, because all the areas on the three sides of Hardibo Lake are under the control of Tigray Defense Force. And after gaining control over the Hardibo Lake, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have become close to Dessie and especially Kambolcha. If you look at your screen, Hardibo Lake is located near both Dessie and Kambolcha, and gradually Tigray Defense Force is gaining control over all areas around Dessie and Kambolcha. And now Tigray Defense Force soldiers can move from Hardibo Lake to Kambolcha city. And Tigray Defense Force soldiers are already on the sides of Dessie, who have arrived at the Dessie door at this time. And a heavy fight is already underway between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force around the Dessie city. Because Tigray Defense Force soldiers are now about 6.5 kilometers away from the center of Dessie, and Ethiopian National Defense Force is installing its heavy weapons near the population inside the city, so that Tigray Defense Force does not bomb the city while considering the population. And Ethiopian National Defense Force is bombing in direction of Tigray Defense Force from near population. And I have already shared with you a video about it. On the other hand, a big claim from Tigray Defense Force sources has also been made that Tigray Defense Force has taken control of the University of Wollo near the city of Dessie. And a picture from Tigray Defense Force is also shared, which you can see on your screen, in which Tigray Defense Force soldiers can be seen taking selfie with Wollo University. If you look at your screen, people are settled to the Wollo University and the center of Dessie. And from the University of Wollo, the population of Dessie starts. So that means Tigray Defense Force soldiers is very close to enter the Dessie population. And according to many citizens, heavy weapons are being heard near the city of Dessie. And the situation inside the Dessie city is very alarming. There is a panic among the people that anything can happen in the coming few hours. Viewers, at first, most of the chances are that the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies will not fight on the streets of Dessie city and will move from Dessie to other areas. If the Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers do not leave the Dessie, or the war spreads inside the Dessie city, there is a risk of heavy casualties and financial loss. And Tigray Defense Force has already given warning to all forces in Dessie and Kambolcha to surrender. And a message has been sent to the citizens to stay inside their homes and protect your property. And I have once again confirmed you that if the war reaches the street of Dessie city, there is a risk of heavy loss. Right now, we cannot claim anything about Dessie and Kambolcha. What will happen next? But the war is very intense and both sides are trying their final best. Viewers, on the other hand, Tigray Army Military Command confirmed that the Tigray Defense Force control the eastern hills around Wollo University in northwest. And the Tigray Defense Force now have fire control over the university, and warned that if Abiy Ahmed's army violates this and tries to wage war in the city, refuse, protect yourself, your children, and your organizations. And claiming that Tigray Defense Force have broken Ethiopian National Defense Force defense lines near Wollo University, and Tigray forces have made significant advance in a week of furious fighting, taking control of Kutabar, Boromaida, Biriti, Dhoyo, Wama, Teliyayan, and Terio. So viewers, so far is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.